For decades, Al Cleinman has been a student of the business of optometry. As a consultant, he's been instrumental in the development of some of North America's most successful optometry practices. Each week, he addresses timely topics to help optometrists build and improve. And now, here's Al with his insights on the business of eye care.
In the complex world of running a successful optometry practice, it's tempting to believe that doing it all is a badge of honor. After all, you've built your practice from the ground up. You've mastered the art of patient care, balanced the intricacies of insurance reimbursements, and kept your eye on profitability. But what if doing everything yourself or in-house isn't the best strategy? The truth is, the modern optometry practice is increasingly complicated, requiring expertise in areas that go way beyond patient care. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that outsourcing tasks is either unnecessary or too costly. But in reality, leveraging external resources such as billing services, scribes, bookkeeping, and marketing can be the key to unlocking greater efficiency and profitability. Further, in an era where finding good employees is a challenge, leveraging your internal resources with a host of outside support is becoming a necessity. Take billing services, for instance. Reimbursement rates relative to overall costs continue to decline, and insurance companies aren't making the claims process any simpler. You need someone on your team who is an expert in the ever-changing rules and regulations, someone who keeps up with the multitude of intricacies. A dedicated billing service not only takes this burden off your shoulders, but also ensures that your claims are filed accurately and quickly, which translates to faster reimbursements and fewer denials. Yes, such services cost 5 to 7% of collected revenue, but the cost is an investment and will pay for itself in recovered revenue in time. Indeed, if you're not generating at least $500,000 in insurance billings, having a staff member focused on insurance billing is likely far more costly than using an outside resource. Similarly, consider the role of remote scribes. While it may seem like an unnecessary luxury, a skilled scribe can allow you to focus entirely on patient care during exams, instead of splitting your attention between the patient and your computer screen. The remote scribe handles the note-taking in real time, improving both your workflow and patient experience. More importantly, it allows you to see more patients without feeling rushed, driving practice growth. There are several services that provide remote scribes as well as several pricing plans, so finding a cost-effective resource that fits your needs should be relatively easy. And our experience is that scribes pay for themselves. Reducing your time with a patient by even 2 minutes turns into an extra exam per day and nearly $100,000 in additional profitable revenue, all while enhancing the patient and doctor experience. Outside bookkeeping is another game changer. Managing your financials internally may seem like a prudent choice, but accounting is a specialized skill that requires more attention than most realize. Indeed, we've seen absolute disasters occur, the result of having non-bookkeepers handle bookkeeping. Outsourcing this task ensures compliance with tax laws, keeps your books in order, and provides you with accurate and timely financial data to make informed decisions. The money you invest in a professional is less than the potential cost of missed deductions, IRS penalties, or bad decisions resulting from a lack of good financial information delivered on a timely basis. Outsourcing marketing, including social media placements, offers you a strategic advantage by allowing you and your team to focus on patient care while accessing experts to manage the ever-evolving digital landscape. In today's highly competitive market, a robust online presence is essential to attract new patients and retain current ones. Marketing specialists understand how to craft compelling content, optimize search engine rankings, and target key demographics, ensuring your practice stands out from the crowd. By handing over these tasks to experts, You not only save time, but also gain access to the latest tools and trends, resulting in higher patient engagement and consistent growth in your patient base. By outsourcing tasks to experts, you free up valuable time and resources that allow you to focus on what matters most, growing your practice and providing unparalleled patient care. Think of yourself as the conductor of an orchestra. You don't play every instrument, but rely on others to bring your vision to life. As the landscape of optometry continues to evolve, recognizing the importance of and engaging with external partners could be the differentiator between simply running a practice and building one of exception. Want to tap into other owners who have successfully utilized these types of outside services? Reach out to us at askcleinman@cleinman.com for a no-obligation discussion.
We hope you enjoyed Al's message, and if so, please hit that like button. At Cleinman Performance Partners, our team is dedicated to transforming lives through recognized and realized possibilities. We have resources in nearly every aspect of the business of optometry and the experience to help you get where you want to go faster and easier. If you'd like to explore your possibilities or challenges, contact us today at Cleinman.com. We're here to help. For more great videos that educate while they entertain, please subscribe to the Cleinman Performance Partners YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.